Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand how we can include a favicon in a HTML document. A favicon is used to display a small brand image next to the page title that displays on a browser tab. If you look at icon that displays next to the page title here on the browser tab, so this is something that we call as a favicon within our HTML documents. So as the image size is very small, it must be simply image with high contrast to make sure it displays properly when we see it on a browser tab. So usually we use HTML link element to define a favicon as shown here. So this is the link element for which we have provided the relationship attribute to which we have assigned the value of icon. We have linked the favicon icon file path here using this href attribute. So this relation equals to icon will define the relationship of that particular file that's included here to the HTML document. So this defines the file as a icon file, and the icon file name can be anything. So it need not be a favicon.ico, but it can be anything. But it's always suggested to use favicon so that it will be easily identified. So we now know that how we can include a favicon and why do we need it. So as it represents a brand image, so it's always required to include it on our HTML documents. Now let's see how we can generate a favicon online for free. So we have another article that explains how you can generate a favicon file easily using some online free tools. So here is a link to it, so which can be referred for more details. Here is an example HTML document where we have included this link element referring to the favicon icon file, and this particular link element is supposed to go into this head section of a HTML document. So this is how we have to include it. So overall it's very simple to include icon file to represent our brand when to represent our brand as well on the browser tab. So now let's see this example source code, and then see how the source code is being processed and displayed on browser. Here is the source code, as we already looked at the same source code here. So here is the link element with href referring to a icon file, and this is the icon file that we are referring within our HTML document. So this contains an icon file which looks like this. Now let me open this in a browser and see how this looks there. So this is the HTML document that we just looked at, where if you look at the browser tab, we have this icon file next to our page title displayed on this tab. So this is all about how we can include a favicon within our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.